Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see how good is your general knowledge. So let's get started. What is the addictive chemical in cigarettes? Sodium, carbon dioxide, alcohol or nicotine? Yes, the correct answer is nicotine. Dash is the largest mammal in the world. Hippopotamus, African elephant, Indian rhinoceros, the blue whale. Yes, the correct answer is the blue whale. In which country is the Leaning Tower of Pisa located? Italy, France, Spain, or Australia? Yes, the correct answer is Italy. How many centimeters are in an inch? 2.54, 3.48, 4.22, 1.76. Yes, the correct answer is 2.54. When mixing black and white together, what color shade do you make? Yellow, pink, gray, or green? Yes, the correct answer is gray. Which is known as the most romantic city in the world? London, Paris, New York, or Los Angeles? Yes, the correct answer is Paris. Which ocean's water is the coldest? Pacific, Indian, Atlantic, or Arctic? Yes, the correct answer is Arctic. Which holiday is a rabbit associated with? Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, or Easter? Yes, the correct answer is Easter. What sporting event first took place in Greece in 766 BC? Wimbledon, University Boat Race, Olympics, or Tour de France? The correct answer is Olympics. The White House is the official residence of which country president? United States, Germany, United Kingdom, or France? Yes, the correct answer is United States. I hope you liked the video. If it was informative, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe.